Hi everybody, today's lesson is how to add numbering or bullet list, how to customize your bullet or numbering list, how to add a multi-level numbering or bullet list. The easiest way is you can click where you want to start your list, and then you can just write the first number, then a space. Once you press space, it will be aligned. Then write the first item, enter the second item. With every enter, you will get the next number. You can use the letters as well if I need to start with ABC. So you can write the first numbering A, then a space, and then the first item, enter next item, then enter the third item, and so on. This is the simplest way. I can also add numbering list from Home tab, Paragraph, Group. Here you can see three types of list. The first is bullets. The second is number. If you need to add a bullet list, if you just click on the button, you will get the default bullet style. If you need to see more bullets to customize your list, you can click on this tiny arrow, and then you can choose the bullet that you need. Then write the first item, enter, you will get the next point. When you need to stop your bullet list, as you press enter, you'll get the next item in list. But what if you need to stop your list and you need to write normally in your document? This can be done in more than one way. First, you can just click back on the same bullet. If you can see it's a toggle, click it. Now it is removed. Or you can press backspace once, twice, third until you get back to the beginning of the line. And then you can write whatever you need in your document. If you need to add a numbering list, you can click here. And when you click here, you will get the default numbering or the last used numbering list. If you need to change it or to customize it, you can click this tiny arrow, choose one of the available options. With every enter, you will get the next item in the list. And when you need to stop it, you will do the same. You can click on the same button that you get this numbering list from. And you can know it because it is activated already. These are toggle buttons that can be on or off. If you need to remove the numbering or the bullets from an existing list. So here we have several items, and after I apply the bullets or numbering list, I need to remove the numbering from these items. What should I do in this case? Just select the list and then go to the icon that you use, go to the button that you use, whether it is numbering or bullets. Here they are numbering list, so I will click on the numbering list. Also, if you have the list already written without numbering or without bullets and you need to apply numbering or bullets to a written list, you can click the list and you can choose the numbering or the bullets, whatever you prefer. You can also edit the numbering or bullet list like this. I need to edit it to the same bullets. So I will select them all, go here from bullets, and then I'm going to shoot this. If I go back to the bullet list, I can see an extra option, which is define new bullet. If I click here, I can adjust or customize my bullet, the last chosen bullet. So you can choose another symbol by clicking symbol and choose one of the available symbols. We have a bunch of symbols. Here you can choose from different categories, and every category has many of these symbols. The list is arranged, is sorted in alphabetical order. If I go to Webdings, you can see different symbols. You can choose the one that you need. I'll choose this for example, and then okay. Now you can see the wallet that I choose. If you need to customize the font, the formatting of the bullets, you can click font, and from here you can change the font style. For example, if you needed bold, italic, if you need to change the size. By the way, I have these two options because I have two languages in my computer, Arabic and English. So the first section is for English language, the second is for Arabic language, and all text for any of them. Here I can choose a font color, which is choose this red. Here is a preview. I will make it a little bit bigger. Underline style if you need to add an underline, and underline color if you need to add underline color. I'm going to press OK. The alignment, where the bullet will be aligned? Left, centered, or to the right? From the margin to the beginning of the list. I'll make it centered and then OK. Now I get my new bullet. With every enter, I will get a new bullet and I can remove it the same way from here. If you open the numbering list, you can find also define number format. And from here, you can customize your numbering style. Here is the number style. You can choose the style that you like. I will choose first, second, and third. From the font, you can change the font as shown before. And here, the text that is highlighted with gray, it means this is dynamic text, which means first is highlighted with the gray color, which means first will be changed to second, then will be changed to third, fourth, and so on. So this is dynamic. The extra text that is not highlighted with gray, it means this text will be static, like the parentheses. You can adjust it. Like for example, I need to add a dash. Maybe you need to add dot or period. For example, you need to add comma. Whatever you need to add, you can add before or after this. Also, you can add before if you need to write one first, one second, one third. If you have many topics and these topics have um, branches under the topic or subtitles, you usually find 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and so on. So I can just, so 1 point first, 1 point second, 1 point third, or you can, for example, add another symbol like this. And when you get to the second topic, you can change this to 2. And then, okay. Now I can see the first numbering list. With every enter, I will get the next list. You can change this list from here. And as you can see, the one that you added or used recently will be added to your library. I will choose this, and now I customize, edit in my list. If I need to add levels, for example, this the same will be um, applied for numbering or bullets. I will choose 1, 2, 3. Okay, I want to add number one, item number one, then under item number one, there is A, B, C. Then item number two, under number two, I have A, B, C again. So for example, I need to write system. Then once I press enter, I will get two. What should I do to go to the next level? You can do this in two ways, by the keyboard or from the toolbar. Let's first use the toolbar. When I press and get number two, I need the second level. Number one and two are the first level, but now I get the first level and I need to demote it to the second level. Once I'm here after I get the next numbering or bullets, and before writing, and can use those. This means increase indent or demote, so it'll get you the second level. And as you press enter, you will be in the same level, which is the second level. What if you need to add a third level? So under C, you need to add another level. You will press the same button, increase indent, and then now I am in the third level. I need to go up one level to promote my level for up next, the up next level. The same after I get the next numbering cell, the next numbering item in the same level, I will click here, decrease indent to increase my level. So I went from level 2 to level 3. I want to go up to level 1, I will press the same button. As I press enter, I will get the numbering, the next number in the same level. Now I want to demote or go a level down. I can use this decrease, increase indent to go to move a level down, and this for level up. Or you can press tab from the keyboard. Tab from the keyboard. Every tab will go level down, and shift tab will go a level up. Tab a level down, shift tab, level up. You can use those or the tab and shift tab. Level downs mean if you are in level 1, you will be in level 2. If you are in level 2, you'll be in level 3. If you are in level 3, you'll be in level 4 as you decrease your level. Level up, if you are in level 3, you will back to level 2, then to level 1. Now I want to go level 2. Shift tab, I will go level up. I can do the same with wallets. I will go choose a wallet like this. And I will do the same. If I need to go a level down, I will press tab from the keyboard, or I can press this. If I want to go level up, I will press Shift tab, or I can press this. The most important thing in this video is to practice. Try to practice as much as you can to familiarize yourself with using the bullets and numbering, and also to use the multi-level numbering or multi-level bulleted list. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video.